Arithmetic Logic Unit. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Basic, Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. BIOS, Basic Input-Output System. CAD, Computer Aided Design. BCD, Binary Coded Decimal. CD, Compact Disc. CPU, Central Processing Unit. DBMS, Database Management System. DMA, Direct Memory Access. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. FDD, Floppy Disk Drive. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. GUI, Graphical User Interface. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. IP, Internet Protocol. MIPS, Millions of Instructions per Second. OS, Operating System. PC, Personal Computer. PROM, Programmable Read-Only Memory. RAM, Random Access Memory. SRAM, Static Random Access Memory. ROM, Read-Only Memory. UDP, User Datagram Protocol. VCR, Video Cassette Recorder. VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. DRAM, Dynamic Random Access Memory. DOS, Disk Operating System. Fortran, Formula Translation. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. USB, Universal Serial Bus. VGA, Video Graphics Array. Wi-Fi, Wireless Fidelity. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. AI, Artificial Intelligence. ARP, Address Resolution Protocol. BIU, Bus Interface Unit. CD-ROM, Compact Disc Read-Only Memory. CISC, Complex Instruction Set Computer. RISC, Reduced Instruction Set Computer. ISP, Internet Service Provider. LAN, Local Area Network. WAN, Wide Area Network. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Mbps, Megabytes per second. DPI, Dots per inch. Modem, Modulator Demodulator. NAT, Network Address Translation. OCR, Optical Character Recognition. COBOL, Common Business Oriented Language. NTP, Network Time Protocol. DML, Data Manipulation Language. EEPROM, Electronically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. CRT, Cathode Ray Tube. EEPROM, Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. DNS, Domain Name System. ISDN, Integrated Services Digital Network. IC, Integrated Circuit. PAN, Personal Area Network. GDI, Graphics Device Interface. XML, Extensible Markup Language. IOP, Input-Output Processor. VDU, Virtual Display Unit. WML, Wireless Markup Language. PCB, Printed Circuit Board. WLAN, Wireless Local Area Network. PIN, Personal Identification Number. MICR, Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. PPP, Point-to-Point Protocol. XMS, Extended Memory Specification. Virus, Vital Information Resource Under Siege. UI, User Interface. WAP, Wireless Application Protocol. OMR, Optical Mark Reader. WWW, World Wide Web. SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol. RIP, Routing Information Protocol. RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. Pixel, Picture Element. RARP, Reverse Address Resolution Protocol. BPS, Bits per Second. PNG, Portable Network Graphics. PCI, Peripheral Component Interconnect. NIC, Network Interface Controller. CROM, Control Read-Only Memory. SAN, Storage Area Network. ABR, Available Bitrate. BAL, Basic Assembly Language. SIP, Session Initiation Protocol. BER, Bit Error Rate. DTP, Desktop Publishing. ALGOL, Algorithmic Language. SIU, Serial Interface Unit. CAI, Computer Aided Instruction. CGA, Color Graphic Array. CIFS, Common Internet File System. CTCP, Client-to-Client Protocol. DVD, Digital Versatile Disk. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SQL, Structured Query Language. DES, Data Encryption Standard. EXE, Executable. FAT, File Allocation Table. GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. HDL, Hardware Description Language. IGMP, Internet Group Management Protocol. DLL, Dynamic Link Library. CLI, Command Line Interface. IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. DTE, Data Terminal Equipment. DVD-ROM, Digital Versatile Disk Read-Only Memory. CDR, Compact Disk Recordable. DTR, Data Terminal Ready. CDRW, Compact Disk Rewritable. EBCDIC, Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol. PSU, Power Supply Unit. SCSI, Small Computer System Interface. SDRAM, Synchronous Dynamic Random Access Memory. URN, Uniform Resource Name. WSDL, Web Service Description Language. SMBIOS, System Management BIOS. SVGA, Super Video Graphics Array. WMA, Windows Media Audio. RTOS, Real-Time Operating System. WMV, Windows Media Video. PAP, Password Authentication Protocol. OOP, Object Oriented Programming, PIC, Peripheral Interface Controller, FXP, File Exchange Protocol, FDC, Floppy Disk Controller, PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor, PERL, Practical Extraction and Reporting Language, CDA, Compact Disc Audio, UEFI, Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, POST, Power on Self-Test, VFS, Virtual File System, WWID, Worldwide Identifier, WINS, Windows Internet Naming Service, VFAT, Virtual File Allocation Table, PPI, Pixels per Inch, DVD-R, Digital Video Disc Recordable, OPML, Outline Processor Markup Language, BINAC, Binary Automatic Computer, DVD-RW, Digital Versatile Disc Rewritable, CIM, Common Information Model, MIDI, Musical Instrument Digital Interface, IGRT, Interior Gateway Routing Protocol, MMU, Memory Management Unit, FPU, Floating Point Unit.